Hey, my name is Partheesh and today I'll be going to show you how to create a basic or flat character in Illustrator and how to import it in After Effects, and yes, how to animate the character by using the tools. So this will be the final output of our file and you will be seeing a flat character will be able to walk after this session. Here we start. So here I'm using this Illustrator. I've taken this ellipse tool first, but it's not working, so let's draw the face. We'll start with the face first. Let's draw a very rough face. Let's smoothen it a little bit. So this is the pen tool actually. I'm sure everybody is familiar with the pen tool. It's very easy to use. You can simply click and drag your mouse from one place to another. So let's smoothen this face a bit, so it should give a feel of face. So let's do that. Yes, much better. So I'll just rename this as a face. Yeah, I'll take another layer and create a rough hair for this character. So this is the rectangle tool I have taken over, and the shortcut is like R. So let us create something like this. I think it will be much better than this. Let's delete this point and drag it from that side. Yes, yeah, much better. So I'll curve this from the bottom as well. Oh yes, so yes, from here I'll give a curve. I'm just finding that, I'm trying to find that point actually. Yes, I got this point. Yes, yeah, now it's much better. Yes, so looks good. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to color this thing. I'll just give a simple black color. You can give color to your choice, I mean of your choice. You can take any, you can pick any color. So I'll just place the position of this head, I mean, so that it should look, I mean, good. Then I'll draw a eye over there by using the ellipse tool. I have taken ellipse tool. So let us take this another eyeball in another layer. Yes, it will be good for you to, I mean, import this file into After Effects. So it will be easy for After Effects to understand the layer structure. So let's create a mouth by using the pen tool again. Yes, the mouth is ready, the simple mouth is ready. So let us go for a body. So what we have to do, we have to drag this character a little bit up so that the body fits in the entire screen. Yeah, we'll try to squeeze this thing, but I think, yeah, it's fine, no issues. So as this is a rough character, I'm doing it just to make you understand how it works, actually how the tool works. Yeah, so I have taken a triangle, I have taken a rectangular tool. I'm just creating a simple body structure, and this position is better. So I'll cut this thing and put it in another layer. Yeah, Control Shift V is the shortcut for this thing. If you are using Windows, then it is Control Shift V. If you are using Mac, then it will be like Command Shift V. And now it's time to draw a leg. I'll try to draw a simple leg so that it will be easy for you to understand in After Effects as well. So I'll not make it more complicated. so better if I can take a rectangle tool for the leg. So let's take another layer. So I'll take a rectangle tool. Where is my rectangle tool? Yeah, here it is. So I'll take a rectangle tool. So first I'll draw a neck. Looks very rectanglish, so we'll do one thing. We'll try to curve this thing. Yeah, by pressing you need to search a point where you can drag the cursor. So here it is not working, so I'm taking another shape, manual shape. I'm creating a little curvy neck, if you can see. So my neck is ready, so I'll delete this one, and yes, I'll place the same neck over there. I'll just make it a little thinner. Yes, it's the right position. Yes, so I'll come outside. Yeah, much better. So I'll do one thing. I'll just create another box which can be useful for our leg. So yeah, give me a second. Yeah, rectangle is fine, I guess. Yeah, better to take another layer. So I'll just place this leg. If we create a joint, I mean, it will be good for you, or a single leg. Let me think. Yeah, I think we can go with a single leg, so it will be easy for you. So I'll create a single leg, single and very flat and very normal leg. I'll duplicate the same leg. Okay, if you are using Windows, you can select the leg and press Alt and drag to create another. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the leg actually and paste it in another layer. So the point is, like, I'm creating each and every part in separate layers, so it will be easy for After Effects and for you as well to import all the files separately in separate layers in After Effects. So let us take a very rough feet. I'll select the layer first. I'll just draw ellipse. Yeah, I'll just use ellipse for this one. Yeah, so this will be my rough foot for left leg. Okay, so left foot, I'll copy this and paste it in another layer as well. So both the feet are ready. So I'll just color it as black for now. I'm sorry. And I'll select the leg and give a basic color to legs as well. Yeah, I think little brownish is fine for the legs. So I mean, looks fine. I'll try to give a little bluish color to the shirt. I don't know, I like blue colors, so yes, I'll be taking blue for the shirts. Yeah. So, and yes, for the neck and the face, we need to take little skinny color for this one actually. So I'll take like I hope this will work. Yeah, this looks better. So what to do, those are in upper layer, legs and feet. We'll try to drag those layers down so that it will go, I mean, in the backward position of the body. So this leg should come up, these two layers, because it's a front leg, so it should come up. Yeah. So better if you can rename the layers and do it by yourself. It will be easy for you to understand and shuffle the layers. I mean, if you have named it already, then it will be easy. I mean, very easy for you to shuffle the layers. Okay, so now I'll try to draw a arm for this very flat character. Okay, so arms will be like this only. Okay, so I'll try to draw a very rough arm. Here I'm using this pen tool for the arm. Let's try to draw the arm, basic arm. Okay, so here this arm is ready. So what I'll do, I'll just pick a blue color for this arm as well, so that it should look like attached. You can pick up the color from body as well and paste the same color to arms also. But I have chosen like a similar color for the arm. So what we'll do, we'll try to fix the position of arm actually. I mean, we'll try to adjust the feet as well. Let's see. Okay, now the position is correct. So what we'll do here, we'll attach the arm here a little bit. Okay, what we'll do, we'll go inside this arm. We don't want that upper line to be visible, so we'll lead the line. How I have done this thing, I have selected the point by using a scissor tool. Okay, you can select on the point from where to till where you don't want that portion, and yes, delete that portion. So I'll just change the color of this hand also. I have created like very I'll take the same color for this face and put it in hand as well. Yes, so this is ready. So my one arm is ready. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy the same arm and paste it behind the body, so our second arm will be ready. Yes. Okay, so this is the way, second arm. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just copy the hand as well and paste it in here. Okay, so it should go behind. What we'll do, we'll just place this hand behind the body. I mean the upper layer should be the body layer. Okay, now it is looking fine. I'll just rename my body and the arm, left arm and right arm. Okay, so I have created both the eyes in one layer, so I'll try to put it in different layers. Yeah, ready. So I'll try to give the same position for the eye as well. What I'll do, I'll just place the eye in the right position in different layer. Okay, yeah, so our character is ready. I'll show you how to. Now we have to save the character on your computer. Okay, I'm saving this yeah, as a rough character. Okay, sounds fine. Okay, I'm just saving this. Okay, so I'll show you how to import that character in After Effects. So this is the basic settings I have taken in After Effects right now. If you can see the settings, width I have taken like 1920 by 1080 and the frame rate is like 30 per second. Okay, 30 frame rate per second. Okay, I'll use the white color as a background. I'll show you how to import that character. Okay, so where is my character? So I have saved my character in practice. So here is the character of which we have done. So I'll import it as there will be two options, footage and composition. We'll start with the composition. Okay, so you can see, as you can see, we have all the layers which we have created in this Illustrator, and it is reflected as the same in After Effects as well if you follow the layer structure in Illustrator as well. So here we'll shift the character by selecting all the layers little down. Okay, so what we have to do here, I'll show you. One second. So I'll select the head first. So I'll try to put it in one layer, the head first. This is mouth, and till here it's head. So I'll try to put it in one layer. So all went in one layer only. So inside this layer we got all the head accessories like eye, mouth, hair and all those. So it will be easy for you to understand. Now what we have to do, we need to rename the layers. You can rename it here as well, you can rename it in Illustrator as well, so that is totally up to you. So I'm renaming it for your reference, and it will be easy for you to understand again where your layers are and how you make the changes as per the layer. Okay, so this is my right feet. Okay, right leg. Okay, so we need to select all the layers, and yes, there are some shortcuts. I'll tell you, I mean, what are the shortcuts by selecting. What we have to do first, select all the layers. Yes, press P. Okay, you can see all the layers are having position opened over there, and I have given a key for all the layers. So before that, what I'll do, I'll just I'll just set a pivot point for leg and arms as well. So what is the shortcut for this arms and I mean set a pivot point? I'll show you. Give a rotation position to everyone by selecting R. If you select all and give a rotation, the rotation will come to all the layers and it will show you. You have to give the rotation key to all the layers as well. So I'll tell you why. Because it will move, it will rotate. So as you can see, I have given like for all the layers position and rotation keys. Okay, so this is how these legs will rotate if I mean move the leg. Okay, so in first layer, what will be the position of our leg? So I'm setting it out. Okay, this is a basic steps for work cycle which we need to follow for the I mean in all the softwares, whether it is Flash, whether it is After Effects, whether it is any 3D software. So what I'm doing here, I'm just setting the first position of the legs in first frame. Okay, so here I need to place this feet along with the leg. Okay, so in second position it will be the same. Okay, so I'll try to copy and paste the same frame in second layer as well. Okay, so here first and second frame is same, as you can see. So what we need to do, we need to give in betweens for all the layers. So here I have given like for position and for rotation both, I have given the in betweens. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll interchange the position of legs, or 1 second, what will we have to give the hand movements as well. Hand rotation. Second, to set the frame again little bit, I'm not happy with the position, so here again I'll give the rotation and position key. Yeah, correct. So what we have to do next, we have to interchange the positions of leg over there. So in the middle frame it should be opposite, so this leg should come forward with the same leg where the right leg is. Okay, and we will try to move the foot as well. Okay, so this is your front leg and the feet. Okay, we'll do with the same process we'll do for the second leg as well. We'll rotate it and place it in backward position. I think this looks fine. Now we'll try to place foot in the same position. Okay, we'll give little rotation to feet as well. Okay, so I am set with the position for legs. So you can see my character is walking. So there are so many things we have to do right now, like we need to give in betweens to those layers. You can see totally like 25 frames I have taken. So for 25 frames in between I have taken like in 13 frames. For first to 13 frames I have taken like 7 frames in between. From 13 to 25 I have taken like in between on 17 or 18 frame. I'll show you. So what I have to do here for this in between, I'll just bend the leg little bit. What I have to do, I have to select a leg, select this option called pinpoints. Okay, that option is called puppet tool. So I have selected this front leg, placed this puppet tool on that leg. Now I'm giving the same place for puppet tool as well. Keying, I'm giving the same keying for puppet tool as well. I'll give the little bend for puppet tool. Okay, I'll just try to move this position little bit like this. Yeah, that looks fine, I guess. Now what I have to do, I have to move the leg, rotate the leg as well, this much, and give the position for feet as well. So here what I'll do, I'll just place the position of these feet, I mean on this leg, and little bit is rotation required for the, okay, yeah, that looks fine. Okay, now we can check it's moving perfectly. Yeah, so the first portion of leg is completed. Now we have to do with the other leg on this position. Okay, now what we can do here, again we need to select the leg, give the puppet tool to this leg as well. Okay, I'm giving 3 puppet tools, one in the top, middle and bottom. Okay, again we need to match the keyframe for puppet tool. Okay, here and here also we want that puppet to be placed, and here also we want that puppet to be placed. So as you can see, I will drag this position little bit forward. Okay, and try to make this point little up. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, so we'll try to give the rotation as well. And give a little bit rotation to this leg as well, and this feet. We'll do one thing, we'll just hide the front layer so that it will be easy for you to see. Okay, so now you can see. I'll place and rotate the feet, I mean to this leg. Okay, looks good. So now we can see my leg and feet both are moving together. Okay, so our character is, legs are almost ready. Let's fix the position a bit. Okay, now it's working fine, and I'll just place position for this feet. It's looking little forward. Just copy and paste it in the first position as well. Okay, so here our legs are ready. Okay, I'll just unhide the another layer so that you can see both the legs properly. Okay, yes, so now our legs are done. So what we have to do next, we'll animate the arms. So I'll select first arm, I'll just delete the extra keys for arms which are not required. I don't want these keys, so let's remove those keys. For this also, this position as well, I just want first, middle and the last for arms. Here I'll just rotate the arm little bit. I think this position is fine for this arm. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just send this position, send this arm behind little bit. Okay, and I'll copy the same frames and paste it in the end. Yes, my one arm is ready. Yes, now I have to do the same thing with the second arm. This position is fine. In the middle I need to change the position of this arm, like it will go little back. Okay, so as you can see, my arms are fine. Give a scale for both the eyes.